Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shraddha. Today we are going in with full glam makeup look. If flawless base, snatched contour, dramatic eyes and glossy lips are your vibe, then follow in. So first thing first, skin prep. I have already moisturized my face, now I am using primer. It gives you smooth canvas for the flawless base. Take your time and massage that in. Also apply lip balm on your chapped lips so that your lips are smooth. So the first step is foundation. Here I am using Pat McGrath Skin Sublime Foundation. It has water-like texture and it's very lightweight on the skin. Use your fingers to apply the foundation all over your face. After applying it evenly, use a wet beauty blender to blend it properly and remove the excess from the skin. It gives you a nice coverage without making it cakey. For a natural finish, we are going to conceal our under eyes only. Now blend it out seamlessly into your skin. Now I am going to add some warmth on my face by adding some powdered bronzer. It will give you a sun-kissed healthy glow on your skin. Now it's time to define our brows. As you can see, I have a thick brow. That's why I'm using a brown colored eyebrow pencil so that I keep it defined but natural. Now here is the secret tip for making your eyelashes fuller. You need to tight line your upper eyelid. Now I'm applying kohl on my lower lash line and trying to create a wing by flicking out with my fingers. Now take some brown eyeshadow and lightly sweep across your whole eyelid. Now we are going to line our eyes. You don't have to be precise, you just have to line your eyes very roughly. Now with a thin angled brush, we are going to clean our eyeliner. There is no product on the brush, we are just going to clean the eyeliner which we have applied roughly before. Now use a dark brown eyeshadow to set our eyeliner so that it doesn't smudge on the eyelid. Now take same brown eyeshadow and define your lower eyelid. Just smudge out the kohl which we have applied earlier. Now the last step is to line your waterline. Apply a thick brown kajal on your lower lash line. Curl your eyelashes. Take time in curling your lashes. You have to curl your lashes from the very bottom to the middle and then to the top. If you do this step properly, you don't even need the false lashes. There's a huge difference in my lashes now. Now I'm finishing it off with the mascara. You can add false lashes at this step, but I'm going to skip that part. Now here comes the part where I will hide my insecurity. I need to contour my nose and make it slim and sharp. Apply contour on both the sides of nose and just blend it out with your fingers. You can also use brown eyeshadow if you don't have a contour stick. Now you have to add the concealer to highlight the bridge of your nose and make it sharp and pointed. Now it's time for my favorite step, the blush. Don't apply the blush directly on your skin, it will give you a patchy look. Take the blush on the back of your hand, even it out, and then apply the high points of your cheek to give it more lifted look. Line your lips with a brown liner and contour your lips from the corners. Apply your favorite gloss. Here I am using Morphe Dripglass gloss, which is very glossy. It makes your lips so plump and juicy. Now set your makeup so that it looks fresh and clean throughout the day. I'm applying the highlighter on the high points of my face. So here's the final look. What do you think? Please write down your suggestion in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye.